I'm AC Cash. This is
Jay the Technician.
and this is
JD. Boom.
and we're coming to you on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the everyday investor invest in real estate and stock market to achieve financial security. Hey Boom,
What's up, Cash?
we're still rocking in 2021.
Definitely. Always.
Everywhere we're going, they're talking about trying to get the bag,
Yeah.
Everybody want to get the bag.
Everybody want the bag.
But we're here at Pivot Point Investors trying to tell them that knowledge is the new bag.
It is.
Hey, let's give it to them. Let's give them that bag.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Let's go.
Pivot Point Investors, let's go. Hi, I'm AC Cash, and this is
JD. Boom.
and we're coming to you on behalf of Pivot Point Investors. Well, we want to take the everyday investor and teach them stock market investment and real estate in order to find their financial freedom. That's what we're talking about, freedom. And it's 2021, JD.
It is.
Hey, we got to hit them with the boom.
Gotta hit them with the boom.
We got to teach them how to get this cash.
Teach them how to get the cash all day.
Hey.
All day.
One thing about it, when I was in Miami, Miami's moving, shaking, everything is, hey, we saw, so we doing our thing.
Oh.
And everybody talking about the bag.
That's
They
right.
got to get the
They
bag.
gotta get the bag.
Well, I'm here to tell them, Cash,
What? What you got?
that knowledge is the new bag.
Oh.
Knowledge is the
Knowledge
new
is the new
bag.
bag.
Everybody trying to get the bag. You know, they got the Fendi purses, they got
Yeah.
this kind of purse, that kind of purse. I don't do all those. I don't know nothing about
Birkin
those.
bags and all that.
They got
stuff.
all that.
They're doing all that. You know,
Hey.
that's Cardi B and them talking about.
Yeah,
You know, so,
hey, that's not my area.
That's
I'll
right.
let them rock that.
That's
but when
right.
we're talking about this bread,
That's right.
when we're talking about getting a bag,
Okay.
it starts up here.
That's right. That's right.
And when we're talking about that, we're talking real estate and we're talking stock investment.
Absolutely.
And right now, when it comes to real estate, man,
Yeah, what's up?
we're in
What's
that 2021. We got to be looking ahead, seeing
Okay.
what's happening.
Okay.
There's a lot happening. There's businesses closing
There
still.
are.
A lot of
There are.
restaurants.
Absolutely.
Everybody trying to get that second PPP.
Absolutely.
All that money. But at the same time, as things pull back,
Right.
those bag opportunities are opening up.
They are.
Bag opportunities. Hey, you can sit on the sidelines and cry if the sky's falling, or
That's
you can
right.
see how to get the new bag.
That's right.
And the new bag comes from the brain. And if we're talking about the brain, I like talking about real estate.
Hey, that's your thing. That's your superpower,
Hey,
man.
I gotta give them
So
all
hit
the
them with
power.
your superpower, man.
So let's talk
Come
about
on.
a funny subject.
What's
Probably 2% of the population understands subject to real estate investment. Subject to, what are they talking about subject to?
Subject
Well, we're
to.
talking about acquiring properties subject to the existing mortgage on it. And that bit of a bag doesn't require money all the time. So you can come into it being able to talk to homeowners, being able to talk to people who are losing their homes.
Absolutely.
Because we're in some economic turmoil going on.
We still got a pandemic going
There's a
on.
lot of people losing their properties, and we're not talking about being robber barons and coming in and
Right.
taking something.
Yeah.
We're talking about if they lose the house, it goes to the bank. We're talking about stopping that from happening,
Absolutely.
helping their credit rating,
Absolutely.
getting them out of a bad situation by assuming, not really assuming, but taking over their existing deed while leaving the financing in place. It is a legal practice. You know, a lot of times people get afraid of what they don't know.
That's right.
That's because the bag is in the brain. And if you don't expand that, you got a empty bottom at your bag.
Absolutely.
So we're trying to keep you deep in the bag, get you strong in the pockets, and
That's
keep your metal going in the right direction.
That's right.
Pivot Point Investors, we're talking about subject to investment.
Subject to.
So obviously it's in the real estate course.
It is.
It's in the real estate course, and we go deep into it, but I want you to understand that it doesn't take a lot of money to get into some of these financial avenues, but it does take information. Information is the key. So I'm not going to dive deep into it. I'm going to let them understand that there are ways that we teach and we advocate that you can acquire property
Right.
without a whole bunch of money.
But hold on, Cash. Hold on, Cash. Hold on, Cash.
What?
You just said subject to.
Subject to.
Some of these smart individuals.
Right.
Some of our members.
Yes.
Well, none of our members, but some people that watch us, follow us.
Okay.
They might say subject to Google. Boom,
Right,
boom.
right.
Read some stuff, and then they might go try to do it.
Hey,
Now,
that's
it's
not-
some pitfalls though with subject to,
that's
and
for
we're
sure.
experienced real estate investors, and
Right.
you still got to button up and
Yeah,
all
yeah.
this. So it's not just the knowledge; you gotta have the wisdom, applied knowledge, what to do, when to do, right?
Yeah, and that's where the forms and things that are necessary to go over with the homeowner, that you have to cover all your bases. You have forms that'll keep you in compliance with federal law and with that homeowner to give them security so they feel good about being able to allow you to continue making payments on their property and know that you're a trustworthy source to continue doing it. But incorrect paperwork, 4 or 5 documents and you only have 2, you only have 3, or the wording in it's incorrect, that can be a problem because a bank does have a due on sale clause.
Ooh, now you really giving them that. I gotta pull you back down, man, because you giving them.
Well, I gotta cover that.
You gotta cover that. All right, good.
Hey, due on sale clause. That means in probably every real estate contract you see, there's a clause that says if you sell the property or transfer ownership, the bank is able to call the loan due on sale of the property. And we have paperwork to get you out of that little sticking point, and generally 99.9% of the time a bank will not call it. But if they try to, there's language that can help you in that regard. But again, the key is getting the knowledge, that bag in your brain, in order to get that bag of cash in your pocket.
And then they gotta plug in with us. They gotta plug in with
They got to plug. They're watching us.
They don't even have to go and search and do all that stuff. You got everything packaged in one place.
It's packaged. It's pretty.
In one place.
It's pretty. And it's packaged. So just stick around. Stay with us. Keep riding with us. We got the stock info on deck. We got the real estate info on deck. And we helping you get the bag in the brain. We're trying to work the brain to get the bag.
All day.
That's good for them?
That's good for them.
Everybody happy?
I'm happy. I know I'm happy.
2021, we're all about getting this bag.
Yes.
But the bag comes through the brain.
That's right.
We're working at it, Pivot Point Investors. Yep. So, on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, I'm AC Cash, and this is
JD.
Boom! And we're here to help make all your investments in 2021 and beyond profitable ones. See you.